you will show the closing creditors 14,800 and the closing stock, that is 11,100. Okay, follow children. Now coming to the, yes, can you repeat the question? Death of the partner, yeah. It is part. Death of the partner. Syllabus for FA1, I will just repeat to you. NPO, partnership, everything except dissolution. So admission, retirement, death और past adjustment और valuation of goodwill, ये सारी चीजें आएंगी. So let us complete, then we will deal with that. Okay. So pattern of the paper will be like this. See, 3 marks FA1. 3 marks, you will be given 10 questions, 30 marks. And 1 mark, you will be getting 20 questions, 20 marks. This is 50 marks. This will be the pattern of the question paper. Okay? Sorry? Can you repeat, please? Options? No. 3 marks question, you will get a regular question as per the board. जैसे आपको calculating the gaining ratio, calculating the capitalized method of goodwill, okay, or preparing an account. It will not be, options won't be given to you. Multiple choice नहीं है, सिर्फ ये 20 questions है जहां पे आपको 1 word या options दिया जाएगा. I hope it is clear. Yeah. See ऐसा है, what the board gives, आप जितना we are doing it trial, ठीक है, ये सारे situations we say trial basis. So what we are assuming is ये जो 20 questions है ना, वो आपको 10 minutes में complete करना है. और ये जो 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, हर क्वेश्चन 5 मिनट में कंप्लीट करना है. बोर्ड का भी यही टाइम दिया जाता है, 5 to 6 minutes फॉर अ 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन फॉर अकाउंटेंसी. बिजनेस स्टडीज के लिए 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन 4 मिनट. सो हम 1 मिनट, मतलब आई नो देयर वुड बी, देयर कुड बी, सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्रैक्टिस. सो द क्वेश्चंस यहां पे जो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट इन 10 मिनट्स. हर क्वेश्चन 30 सेकेंड में कंप्लीट करिए. डोंट वरी अबाउट मार्क्स. जो आपको फ्लो आता है, स्पीड इससे बढ़ेगा. दैट विल, यू टेक इट एज अ बेनिफिट. सी, यू आर इन क्लास 12, it is not going to affect your internal performance. We are preparing for the boards, so doing it fast. Okay, and if there is any issue, I will be monitoring your exams, so we will see what can happen. 10 minutes आपको scan करके भेजना है, so you can use that 10 minutes if at all 2-3 minutes. So time constraint तो आपको manage करना है. Let us see how it works. Okay, you can do in any order. You just write the question and you do it in that order. So, sorry?
उसमें 10 तक बात करनी है. सर, जो टीम्स पर सिलेबस अपलोडेड है,
हाँ,
उसमें 10 तक बात करनी है सिलेबस में.
तो मैं क्लैरिफाई कर रहा हूं ना आपको. आपने मेरे सिलेबस देखा क्या, जो मैंने अपलोड किया? उसमें डेथ है. there was some confusion, so we have corrected it. We have done the death question, right? We have done death chapter. हमने किया नहीं किया?
Yes.
So that is included. खाली आपका डिसोल्यूशन जो हमने नहीं किया है उसको छोड़ के सारे टॉपिक्स इंक्लूडेड है, ठीक है? आपने कहां पे देखा ये सिलेबस जहां पे डेथ नहीं लिखा है? व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, क्या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप किसके? मेरे फाइल्स में? तो आई विल check that and I will revise it. If that is given, I will check it and revise it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we will do one. So this ये पैटर्न आपको समझ में आ गया है? जो एक और टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है मुझे करना है. So what I will say is 28B and 29. Can you do it yourself? 28A, 28B or 29. Do you want me to do one more question of these three patterns?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, 28A करूं, 28B करूं, 28A कर लेता हूं, ठीक है? Then I will go to the 30th question. दो another type है, 28A. Now 28A question, they have given you balance sheet, opening balance sheet दिया है और receipts and payment account दिया है. So receipts and payment account में payment side में they are saying sports material 1,86,000. So what does that mean? It means the money paid for purchasing the sport, amount paid. Okay, amount paid. Jab when amount paid is given, we have to follow the two steps method. First step, from the amount paid, okay, step 1, amount paid for sports material, rupees 1,86,000. Now to this we will add closing creditors and we will subtract opening creditors. Okay. Now in the balance sheet they have not given you the closing creditors. They have given you the opening balance sheet in which the opening creditors is 18,700. तो यहां पे हम नील डालेंगे और माइनस 18,700. So 307, 1 lakh. This will be the purchase, total purchase of sports material. Is this clear? Is this point clear? Now say step 2. Now purchase of sports material 1,67,300. To this we will add opening stock and we will subtract closing stock. Now opening stock is 24,500. So 1,91,000. Closing stock they have given as an additional information 31,200. 31,200. So 600, 06. 1,60,000. This will be the sports material consumed. That will be shown on the debit side of the income and expenditure account. Okay. Is any question, any doubt here, children? Now I will come to the थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जहां पे देयर विल बी 3 स्टेप्स. 30A. There will be 3 steps here. Now we will be doing, they are giving you the suppliers, amount paid to the suppliers. So when the amount paid to the suppliers is coming, 30A. So let me just read the question. Compute the amount of stationery consumed during 2019 from the following information. Opening stock of stationery they have given. Paid for stationery purchase during the year. The word is paid. So we will have to find out what is the total purchases, cash and credit. So we have to do the step 1, which we have done earlier question. Advance paid to stationery. This is a new thing that we are encountering. So sometimes the vendor is paid, supplier is paid advance, and that opening advance balance and the closing advance paid. This one also has to be adjusted. So how do you do that? Step 1. In step 1, you will write amount paid. Okay, paid for stationery during the year.
Sir, the board is not clear.
Yes, sir. बहुत बड़ा करो.
Yes, sir. Video बहुत clear इधर आप.
Now, so what? So can we do the next class, these 2 questions?